A winter snowstorm known as a bomb cyclone has pounded the U.S. East Coast. From Tennessee to New York, all of these major regions are currently witnessing a wave of this intense weather event. Nearly 100 million Americans across the country have been placed under weather alerts. Now, the weather phenomena known as a bomb cyclone has prompted the cancellation of thousands of flights and has also triggered major traffic disruptions in the region. So what is a bomb cyclone? Now, in simple words, a bomb cyclone is an intense weather event in which a barometric pressure drops very quickly, causing heavy precipitation and snowfall. Currently, the two powerful winter storms have gripped the U.S. One is hitting the East Coast, while the other is slamming into the West Coast. In New York's Buffalo area, snow piled up to some 8 inches, and all schools were closed for a second straight day. The closure comes at a time when school staffers are already facing a shortage due to the COVID wave. Southeastern state of Kentucky is witnessing a white blanket of snow and freezing rain. A state of emergency is currently in place. The state has reported hundreds of car crashes due to low visibility. State authorities have activated Kentucky National Guard at interstate closures to prevent further mishaps. U.S. state of Virginia has also declared a state of emergency to ramp up its preparations against the winter storm.
Kentucky and all throughout.
Denver is facing the brunt of climate change as the region recovers from the aftermath of wildfires. Snowfall has started and the biting cold temperatures have dropped to near zero. Now, overnight, Denver saw 1 to 3 inches of snow blanketing the region. The first major winter storm to hit Massachusetts this season has dumped more than a foot of snow in many spots in New England. Schools in Boston and the surrounding regions in southeastern Massachusetts were closed due to the heavy snowfall on Friday. Massachusetts governor, meanwhile, has ordered the state's non-essential employees to work from home and also advised people to stay off the roads.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. My name is Matt. Hi. Wave.
They did say that it's going to get real cold later, so you better, maybe the next few days. I thought they said Monday, but maybe before that. You better get it all out of the way because it's going to turn to ice, so we don't want that. So do the best we can today with the shoveling.
And for more updates on the story, our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen in.
A winter storm blanketed large parts of the East Coast on Friday, causing school closures, power outages, and flight cancellations. Here in New York, we witnessed the first snowfall of the season, some parts seeing about 8 inches of snow, while in the city, for the most part, the snow cleared pretty quickly and public schools were open. Upstate New York and neighboring Connecticut, they were a different story. Many grappling with icy conditions and road closures. A state of emergency was declared in the states of Maine, Virginia, and New Jersey. Residents reporting power outages in some parts of those states. More than 2,400 U.S. flights were canceled as of midday on Friday. Now, some of those flights and those cancellations are the result of Mother Nature and this snowstorm. However, the other reason is the coronavirus pandemic and the surge in cases. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.